Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix a chronic cough. You know, like you're you're constantly clearing your throat and it's driving you crazy, or your spouse is going crazy because she's listening to you. The most common deficiency is the calcium deficiency, okay? Because the larynx, when it's missing calcium, tends to create a tension and an irritation. And this is the most common deficiency. So the best source of calcium for this problem would be calcium lactate. Calcium lactate absorbs in the body really, really fast compared to other types of calcium like calcium carbonate, which is limestone or rocks. That's not the one that you want to use. You want to use the lactate version. And also this works really good for canker sores or fever blisters. And I keep it around the house. Well, I don't have any, my kids aren't small anymore, but when they were small, if a child has a fever and you give them calcium lactate, it really brings it down. Or if they can't sleep, calcium lactate before bed just helps them sleep. Or if the infant is like you're breastfeeding and the infant is just not sleeping through the night, calcium lactate, it'll help that. You want to consume it, the mother wants to take it herself, and then it comes through the breast milk, and then bam, if you're doing a bottle, then go ahead and crush it up in a little powder and then put it in the milk. And that really, really works, okay, for infants and small children. And yes, it could come, you can have this chronic cough from acid reflux. It's not as common. And then if it is acid reflux, I put a link down below. But adrenal fatigue can do it. Also a B12 deficiency. These are just other things to look at if this doesn't work. But this is the most inexpensive remedy. It's like maybe $2 for a whole bottle of 60, and it's an inexpensive solution to a chronic problem. Thanks for watching.